Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brian James, and normally this channel's about my passion for the Chevron sports car, which for most people is a Lotus 7 replica. Today we're going to do something just a little bit different. I've had a request. I touched on the last video about the sleep pod that I was planning on doing for the cars, and so someone's requested that I do a quick video for that. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. I do apologise for the poor cameramanship. It's not my thing. So without further ado, let's get on to it. Oops, sorry about that. Everyone gets shaken up about. Okay, so here it is. The unit itself is just on 250 kgs. As you can see, we've already got a single mattress in there, and it fits in quite nicely. I will put the mattress up on a base and have it back a little bit further, giving me a bit more room in the front. The idea is that this is super light and small, so you can put what you need for your camping trip in it, just like a caravan, with the view that maybe if you're going to, you can have just like a quick pop-up awning that can go in there, a couple of chairs, and you're really sorted. The reason I like it is that it is light. So, and I don't know about most places around the world, but New Zealand's moving towards smaller, lighter, more fuel efficient cars. With that being said, that does mean that not many people have the ability to tow a full-sized caravan, even a single axle caravan, let alone a tandem. You know, your Toyota Aqua or whatever, your Vitz, isn't going to be able to do that. Your hybrids they're just not going to have the power. And I myself have a Toyota Aqua, so the idea for me is that I will be able to put this behind the Chevron and use it, but also I'll be able to use it for my Toyota Aqua. And turn it basically, what I believe, into a sleep pod. So on this side I'm thinking about putting, and it's only fiberglass, so it's real easy to do, a couple of windows in the side there to allow a little bit of light in, to make it feel a bit more airy, and to be able to air it out when I actually do get to where I need to go. We'll put a vent on the top, again to allow a flow of air. Obviously it's not going to have creature comforts like toilets and showers and so on, but it's nice and small and light. If it does rain, you can see that it is, I don't know if you can see that or not, but the rain will come down into the channel, leaving the inside nice and dry. So everything's designed to keep luggage dry, so it should keep me dry. Inside, obviously, we have the bed. Single bed fits in quite nicely, and I do believe if I can get the bed up over the hump, you could even get a double in there, so it's a good idea for, say, anyone to be able to do. It's just, I like the idea of the single, so right, we're just going to go down and we'll get a shot underneath. So fully galvanized chassis, spring suspension, everything's pretty easy. I'm obviously thinking about putting a load leveler that caravans use, so I don't end up so we can get it square on site. Yeah. So even if I'm not using it with the chevron, which obviously that's what this channel is about, it's not that big to tow behind a normal car. So I believe that a sleep pod like this for Joe Average is a really good idea. It's easy enough to store in the shed, under cover anywhere. It's easy to maneuver about, and it's going to be literally half the price of those teardrop sized caravans with more space in it. So I do hope that you'll subscribe, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and you can follow the build on this if it interests you. It will be interesting to see how the chevron tows it, but even if the chevron can't tow it, I believe that the Toyota Aqua and all the smaller cars that are fuel efficient will be able to tow it, and I should be able to get out and tour New Zealand a lot more with it, and there will be videos of that actually happening. So thank you very much, and you have a good day.